Hey guys, this is 2014 fireworks stash. Everything is wholesale from Four Seasons Fireworks in Florida. We have 3 different kinds of 200-gram cakes so far. Like, that's it. We have Absolute Evil from Cutting Edge. We were lucky enough to get this cake since they're always sold out, and that people just buy them really quick, and they're cheap. Next is Hammer Time from Dominator. It's a all crackle cake. So the burst, every little thing has crackle in it. Next is Dog Tired. Robert Weller actually did a demo vid on this. It's pretty good. Made by Cutting Edge. Next we have Guerrilla Warfare by World Class. Red and white cake. Rapid, like just a quick cake. Air Command is a longer cake. It's a 36 shot. It's a crackle cake. 2 cases of them. Jacked Up is 2 in a case. I don't really know the effect. Okay. 30 shots fan skyward and break into glitter strobes, palms, and dragon eggs. It's a really cool cake. 2 come in a case. We're gonna get another case in a couple days, so that's that. Wild is from Four Seasons Fireworks. The drawing on it is pretty cool. And it's 156 shots. So when it's all this, I'm sure there's not a description, but all this is like salutes, and then it ends like with what, like 6 shots. Let me see. Okay, look, gold strobe willow for performance. That's actually not the performance, but yeah, that's actually not the performance. It doesn't actually do that. Tracer rounds from Cutting Edge. You got a case of that. The rest of the case, 24 of them, 121 shot. 24 of them come in a case. So they're pretty good. Minotaur from Four Seasons Fireworks. 16 shot, 500 gram. It's a strobe. There's no description on here, but it's a strobe cake. It's like red, white, blue, purple. It has like just and the white strobe colors. Very loud. Oh, here's a performance. Sky blue / red. Wait, you can't see it. I'll read it out. Sky blue / red / white strobe, purple / green / white strobe, blue / lemon / white strobe, and lemon / white strobe. So that's the performance. There it is on that cake. Loud and Proud from RGS Fireworks. Really good stuff. 16 shot. It's not the loudest cake, but it's pretty good, and it's cheap, very cheap. Next is Frozen Stare from Cutting Edge. It has like it has swirling tails, and 21 shot. And then it has Willow for the last 3 shots. That's the performance. And next is Patriotic Dominance by Dominator Fireworks. We got 2 cases of that. Performance. You will need pride as whistling tails explode into huge patriotic burst, ending with a finale of loud crackle. This cake isn't the best cake to have near other fireworks because it's very strong. For the last 3 shots on the finale, like, you know, the finale part of the cake, it actually tipped over sideways and was kind of facing towards us. So, and just off of 1 shot, it kind of moves the cake. So those aren't you shouldn't be very close to this cake. Any cake really. Sure Bet is a 12-shot fan cake from Dominator. It's the bursts, they're pretty big. Look, there's a performance. There we go. There's the performance. Then Get Some by Cutting Edge. It's a 2-inch 9-shot cake. You know, it's pretty good. And 4,000 firecrackers from Cutting Edge. It's always a mess and it's fun. You know, loud. More normal firecrackers. Next is a case of Excaliburs. From World Class. Everybody knows these. They're all over. Everybody gets them. And we just got a case of that, 60-gram canisters, and Black Widows from RGS, really good stuff. They're also 60-gram canisters. If you see Black Widows, get them. They're very good. And Excalibur's is good in its own way, and Black Widow's is good in its own way. So that's the 2014 fireworks stash so far. We're getting a little bit more soon, and we will be doing demo vids on every single one of these, since we're especially going to do a lot of those since we have 8 of them, well 7 since we did one yesterday. So that's the 2014 fireworks stash, and see you in the next vid.